Hello my friends, welcome back to my estate video. There has been update on the platform and I want you guys to be aware of this update because it is very important for everybody to keep up to date with what is going on in the platform. So I am going to quickly just tell you what has been happening and what they have done so far. Okay, so these are the updates that has been implemented at the moment. The e-wallet balance is now displayed when selecting e-wallet as a payment method during property purchases. The profit calculator now shows projected returns for the full phase 1 period, which is the first 18 months period, right? A support ticket system is now available directly inside your account. So please make sure you log in and check this out, okay? The agent program has been expanded from 10 to 20 levels with a clearer progression structure. So number 4, let me repeat that again. The agent program has been expanded from 10 to 20 levels. This is super great for agents. New filters allow easier tracking of clients, commissions, and deal results. Number 6, auto capitalization indicators have been added to the active deposit. So if you have in the past purchased a property and you checked the auto compounding button, that has now been added. The indicator has been added to that particular purchase that you have done. Okay, but some people will purchase different portfolios of properties, but they may not be auto compounding all of them. So if you have selected a property and you selected auto compounding button when you were purchasing that property, go back now and check. You will see the indicator there. Okay, platform access rules have been clarified for investors and non-investors. The roadmap is now available in all supported platform languages, which is great because the idea of having the roadmap in multiple languages is really good. Okay, the merchandise PDF catalog has been added to the knowledge base. So if you go to your back office now and go to the knowledge base, you should see the PDF for the merchandise. Now, what they are telling us here is all the updates are now available across the platform. So please go back, log into your account and check out this update. It's very important for all of us in eState to check out these updates. Okay, just log into your account and then go through all the functionalities that has been added to the platform so that you are familiar with the back office and know where to go and look for stuff if you need them. All right, so that is me. I just thought I should drop this message very quick for every single member of my team and for those that are watching this video on my channel. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video.